This is how to start making a ball out of sack thread. First of all, of course, we need a sufficient amount of thread from the sack. The thread should be clean and dry to make it easier to use and not easily tear while rolling. Once the threads are ready, we will start making the ball. In the first step, start by tying the end of the thread. Gradually twist it and wrap it around until it slowly forms a small knot. Make sure the tying and wrapping are tight so it doesn't come apart or lose its shape. While doing this, you need to be gentle with the wrapping of the thread. Don't go too fast and don't make it too tight at the beginning so it doesn't become crooked in shape. As you continue to twist the thread, you will gradually see it taking shape. As it grows, try to wrap the thread evenly around all parts to make the formation round. The key to making a good ball is patience and consistency. Wrapping the thread should be uniform and you shouldn't rush. As the ball gets bigger, you will notice that it is becoming somewhat round. But this is not yet the roundest and sturdiest form of the ball. To make the threads inside more compact and to harden the whole ball, an important step needs to be done: the bouncing. When the ball is somewhat large, you can bounce it on the floor or on a hard object. Bouncing helps to compress the inside of the ball and better arrange the threads inside it, making it rounder, more solid, and improving the appearance and quality of the ball. This process is repeated. Wrap, compact, bounce, wrap again, until you achieve the right size, shape, and hardness of the ball you want to create. Making a ball from sack thread is a creative process that requires patience, skill, and careful arrangement. But in the end, you will create a simple toy that is not only durable, but also has sentimental and practical value, especially in places where toys are limited, but creativity abounds. Just let me know if you want to make this more formal, more narrative, or if you want to add the importance or use of the ball in the context of culture or youth.